望远镜成为
想集团也成为全球最冷。
From zero to infinity. From impossible to possible. Don't know what they need. Focused and devoted. Sweat and persevere. Practice over and over. Explore step by step. Discover more and more. Know myself through introspection. Find guidance and enlightenment after confusion. Feel confused and defeated sometimes. Persist to improvement and transcendence. Challenge myself. Break limits again and again. Sweat, persistence, and effort. Action, discovery, and reflection. Infinite possibility to my dream. Xidian University, from zero to infinity. I am in full charge of my own life.